I'm Timothy Charles. I am the recipient of the Deserving Neighbor Award. To the best of my understanding, some of the neighbors felt that I was unusual to help them. I didn't know any better. I was always thought that it was something a good neighbor would do. I would strike up a conversation with the elderly people and offer to do it. It might be a toilet that won't quit running, a drippy faucet, their lawnmower's broken, their lawnmower needs the blade sharpened. I don't think we pay enough attention to the elderly folks, especially if they've lost a husband or wife. And getting up in years, they really want to do things themselves, but they can't. But they're afraid to ask for help.
And that's where you come in, right?
That's where I come in.